Hi, I'm Justin Kelly, President and CEO of CPF Mortgage. Today we're in Brooksville, Florida, touring and learning about Southern Crown Homes. This is a Hernando County builder that's made a huge splash in the community with their unique ICF construction process and standard luxury features that they put in each home. We're going to interview Brian Mudd along with TJ Homan with EXP Realty and learn exactly what makes this product unique and why buyers should pay special attention to Southern Crown Homes. Why don't you follow me and let's learn all about it. I'm here today with Brian Mudd with Southern Crown Homes. I wanted to ask specifically about the standard construction methods and how Southern Crown Homes is doing things differently.
Okay, well, I mean, typically here in Florida, south of Jacksonville, everybody usually refers to a house as a block home, where, you know, it's strong and it's sturdy, it's a block, you know, you build a brick house, as you would say. Well, at Southern Crown Homes, we actually build our house out of solid concrete. Instead of stacking blocks on top of each other that you're very familiar with that can get the cracks in the walls as they go up, we actually have some forms that go in place and we fill the wall with solid concrete all the way around the home. It's a much stronger, it's a solid poured wall system, and it gives you a wonderful insulation rating.
Why don't we talk about, you know, most builders, when you're talking about upgrades and things like that, it's tack this on, tack that on. You guys do it a little differently. Why don't we explain exactly how that works?
Your typical way that, you know, as far as a builder goes is, you know, you're going to try to build this base house, you know, for your public starting at this price, right? They're going to mark up the upgrades to try to make that money back. We're at Southern Crown. We take that and we have all of these upgraded features as our standard. We negotiate that up front. Mm-hmm. So when you come to get a house, it's already upgraded. So when you see a price on it, it's a realistic price.
And what do those upgrades look like? What are the standard luxury upgrades that we can see in a Southern Crown home?
So we've got if you're going to look at it, we've got an LVP flooring. It's a waterproof flooring with a beveled edge on it. We also do it throughout the entire house. There is no carpet in our homes. We do actual real tile on the walls.
And how about the kitchen? Some of the upgrades that I saw, you guys got to make beautiful kitchens. What can they expect to see as standard in their kitchen?
Well, first of all, you're going to have cabinets that are always going to be real wood cabinets. I mean, you put that particle board stuff in there, the moment you have any type of water on it, it can swell up in the room. On top of that, you're going to take quartz countertop on top of it. It's non-microbial. It's going to help prevent against any staining.
You guys seem to have thought of it all. Thank you so much for getting with us today, explaining Southern Crown Homes, your construction process, and the luxury features that come behind your home as standard options.
Absolutely, Justin.
Have a great day.
You too.
Now I'm here with TJ Homan with the Homan Group, EXP Realty. They are the official sales team for Southern Crown Homes. TJ, how you doing, buddy?
I'm doing great. How are you, sir?
Fantastic. I had just a couple of quick questions to understand, you know, how people, number one, come and see this model, how they can interact with your team, sure, and then what to expect for 2023 from Southern Crown in terms of, you know, units and what will be available out there. So let's start off right off the rip here. Like, where do people come and visit? Where do they get eyes on these models?
So if you want to come and see how Southern Crown is built, you can come to this location at the model home, which is 11046 Golden Warbler Road in Brooksville, or you can come to my office at 48 Seven Hills Drive in Spring Hill. That's 34609. You can even give us a call to set up an appointment, and that's 352-600-8170. And one of our receptionists in the office will get you connected with a sales rep who will then go ahead and set that appointment so you can come in and actually see the model homes or any other current inventory that we have.
Well, let's talk about that for a second, because it's my understanding we have some inventory homes out there. And basically what that means is there's been a home that has been new construction and built and is available for purchase immediately.
Yes, actually, and they are actually flying off the market right now. We have, currently we have 10 standing inventory homes that are all 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage. They're 1,931 square foot, and we still have 10 left.
Fantastic. And for 2023 now, moving forward, how many units are going to be built, or what's projected for this year for Southern Crown Homes and the EXP team?
So right now with Southern Crown Homes, besides the 10 remaining, or the 10 already built inventory that we have another 28 parcels that are ready for you to choose to be able to build upon. Our projections for this year is building another 60 to 80 homes this year.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. So you heard it from TJ Homan, the sales representative for Southern Crown Homes. We also spoke with Brian Mudd, who heads up construction for Southern Crown. It's a beautiful product. You have to lay eyes on it for yourself. Hopefully we'll see you at the Model Center soon.
Looking forward to it.
And there you have it, folks. You got to visit Southern Crown Homes, learn about their unique construction process. We spoke with Brian Mudd about that. He's their head of construction. You got to speak with TJ Homan with the Homan Group EXP Realty, who is a sales associate. Last portion of this whole puzzle is financing. That's where CPF Mortgage comes in. We're partners with both the Homan Group and Southern Crown Homes, and we're proud to be their preferred lender. If you have any questions on getting financing or seeing one of these beautiful homes, give us a call at 727-226-1040 or visit us online at cpfloans.com.